Liveness Probe in Kubernetes is used to check if a container is still running properly. If the probe fails continuously, Kubernetes kills the container and restarts it according to the pod's restart policy. This is useful when a container is alive but stuck or unresponsive. There are three types of liveness probes. 1. HTTP, sends an HTTP request to a specified endpoint. 2. TCP, tries to open a TCP connection on a port. 3. Exec, runs a command inside the container. Key parameters of liveness probe includes initialDelaySeconds, which means wait time before the first check, periodSeconds, which means how often to check, failure threshold, which means how many failures before restarting. Here's an example. This probe checks /health every 10 seconds after a 5-second delay. If it fails too many times, the container restarts.